Hi, this is a video tutorial that will cover how to download and fill out the Rights of Way as Habitat Pollinator Scorecard using the ArcGIS Survey123 field application. This video is intended for current or prospective geospatial database users who want to automatically sync habitat data with the geospatial database. Additional video tutorials can be found by selecting Tutorials and Resources, and then Tutorials on the Rights of Way as Habitat Working Group Geospatial Database website menu. The Pollinator Scorecard was created by the Rights of Way as Habitat Working Group with input across the utility and transportation sectors. The survey establishes a common language to assess the quality of pollinator habitat on right-of-ways and other lands over time, which can be used to communicate and collaborate within your organization, with partner organizations, key stakeholders, resource agencies, and the public. Your organization may choose from 3 tiers, from simple to advanced monitoring, depending on your goals for data collection, user experience level, and intended time commitment. Here we see a PDF version of the Pollinator Scorecard. For a more in-depth introduction, visit the Rights of Way as Habitat Working Group's Pollinator Habitat Scorecard webpage. In addition to a PDF version, the scorecard is available on your phone, tablet, or desktop via the ArcGIS Survey123 app, a free mobile app from Esri. With online and offline functionality, the app streamlines Pollinator Scorecard habitat data collection by automatically syncing responses into a central database, which was also developed by the Rights of Way as Habitat Working Group. To learn more about this geospatial database, visit our Geospatial Database webpage. To access the Pollinator Scorecard in Survey123, your organization must be registered with the Rights of Way as Habitat Geospatial Database. Users that already have an institutional ArcGIS Online account can be identified when filling out the intake questionnaire, which automatically adds those users to your organization's field worker group. This can be found on the Geospatial Database website under the Getting Started tab. Users can also be invited into the field worker group after an organization has been deployed by an account administrator or data manager in ArcGIS Online by navigating to your organization's field worker group, selecting Invite Users, and then searching for that user by name, email, or ArcGIS Online username. To request ArcGIS Online user credentials for staff who do not already have institutional accounts, fill out the Esri Additional User Request form, which can also be found under the Getting Started tab. As a member of your organization's field worker group, you'll have access to the Pollinator Scorecard survey in the ArcGIS Survey123 app, which is free on the Apple app or Google Play stores. After installing, log in using your ArcGIS Online credentials associated with the database. Then download the Pollinator Scorecard survey for your organization to see it populated in your Survey123 home screen. Before collecting habitat data, we recommend that you define the boundaries of your habitat assessment area, or the area within which you're characterizing habitat. We refer to these as sites or management areas, which can range from a single pollinator planting to an entire row corridor. These may already be defined, or your organization may designate these assessment areas at a later date. Pollinator Scorecard points are automatically assigned to the site or management area they fall within. Based on the size of your assessment areas, your organization will determine the number and type of plots required to characterize that area. More guidance is available in the Pollinator Scorecard User's Guide on the Rights of Way as Habitat Working Group website. Now you're ready to begin collecting habitat data in the field via Survey123. To start a new assessment, open the Pollinator Scorecard survey for your organization, now populated on your My Survey123 home screen. Click Collect and begin filling out the appropriate fields. An asterisk indicates a required field. The survey will walk you through the different assessment fields based on the Pollinator Scorecard tier selected, including site or management area and plot information, habitat attributes, including habitat resources, milkweed abundance, and pollinators observed, as well as high-level land management information. Click the check mark in the bottom right corner to finish the survey. You can choose Send Now to submit the survey. If you don't have access to the internet, you can also click Save in Outbox. When you get back online, you'll be able to sync the completed survey or surveys with the database by accessing them in the app's outbox. Pollinator Scorecard surveys can be edited after they've been submitted, either directly in the Survey123 app or by logging into the Survey123 website. Open the Pollinator Scorecard survey and select Inbox, and then refresh on the next screen. Submitted surveys are listed by submission date. Select Edit to reload that survey, make any necessary changes, and then resubmit the survey. Here you'll also have the option to copy data to a new survey, which may be useful if you are collecting multiple similar habitat assessments or returning to a particular plot or site. You can also visit the survey123.arcgis.com website and log in using your ArcGIS Online credentials to view and edit scorecard responses. Click Organization, and then scroll to select your organization's Pollinator Scorecard survey. On the next page, you'll see a summary dashboard for your organization. Click Data, and then select the appropriate survey, which can then be edited and resubmitted using this icon. You'll notice that the export feature is disabled in Survey123. If you'd like to download a copy of your organization's Pollinator Scorecard and other data, this can be done by a data manager or account administrator in ArcGIS Pro by running the row export tool. Directions are available in the Geospatial Database User's Guide. For a PDF version of these instructions, visit the Tutorials and Resources section of the Geospatial Database website and select Guide to Using Survey123. Thanks for watching the Survey123 tutorial. If you have any questions, you can email our team at rowhwg@uic.edu.